So, hello everyone, good day. Today, we were presenting our project called Bank Manager Simulation Program, which is written in C++. The whole idea sa among program kay to simulate how a small bank works but in a very simple and understandable way. As the bank manager, ikaw mismo mo control sa account sa loan and daily operation. So, we designed this not just para makapasa og requirements but para ma-show pod how object-oriented program can be used in real system. So dili lang siya random inputs, naagid siya flow and logic like actual mini bank. So our flowchart shows the overall direction program while the code is detailed execution. So as you can see na ay diri display main menu. So I start program. Sa start program namo is the program begins running sa ini nga stage. Ang system nag-ready pa lang sa tanan variable, nag-ready pa sa tanan variable and function. Wala pa action pero prepared na siya to receive inputs from the users. So, kamo, mga user man mo, paabot na lang siya ka ng mo ready para makita na ninyo. So, sa display main menu, as you can see, na ay create account. So, after starting the program, show main menu, this is the main screen nga makita dayon sa user na which is the main menu. So, na-dry create account, deposit money, withdraw money, check balance, nga 5 exit. So, this act is the central menu where the user can select unsay gusto niya buhaton, whether mag-create og account or mo deposit, mo withdraw or mo check sa iyang balance. So, next is enter choice. So, unsa may nasa enter choice? The program then asks the user to enter a choice. The user type a number gikan sa menu option. Option once may input na input uh, sabihin tawag ay the input system use that choice para ma-determine unsay next step ba. So sa action based on user choice, so sa option 1 create account, the program asks for the username, the essential balance after ma-input tanan system or ma-creates and store the new account. So ingana na siya. Sa ikaduha, which is deposit money, mag-program siya o mangutan na sa deposit. The system that adds that amount to the current balance. So, option 3, withdraw money. The program asks for the amount to withdraw. The system check if sakto ba ang balance. If enough or giminus niya, if kulang, dili pwedeng ana. So, sa pang-apat, na-dry check balance. The system display the current account balance and related info. So, giset na niya na, no? So, option 5, exit, diba? O, dera, the program stop running. So, kita na mabala na good. After action like create deposit or withdraw, the program show updated details. So, pwede na ka ma-exit or unsay imong gusto. So, another action is 1 yes, 0 no. So, unsa may naana? If 1, balik sa main menu. If 0, proceed to exit. Ingana. 7, exit program. Ingana. Murag kulang man gud. So, ana, let's go. Dito to sa coding. Which is kini. Coding namo is kini. So, hello. After sa flowchart na to, so mo ni among coding which is mo tong bank manager. Mo ni among code to. And run na to which is kini among gawas. Yun, open account, approve loan, view loans, next day, exit. So, kini. So, na-try na nako na day 1, balance. So, 'di ba? 1 is mangutan na sa input sa user, deposit niya, essential. Na. So, mo na sa day 1. Yun. As you can see. Sa ikaduha, approved loan. Enter na po ng user, ana, yun. Kita na po din mo, balance. Ana. So, sa 3, view accounts, which is kini, mga account ni. Sa 4, view loans, which is kini gihapon. Then, sa 5, which is next day. So, day 2. Let's go. Day 2. Mana. And then, sa 6 is, which is exit. So, exit. Yun na. Nag-sitting game. Ito na nakalabas, tapos di na ta ka-type dira or unsa kay since ay bisan pag mo type tag to dira di na basta kon kay nag exit naman ta. Yan lang. Thank you.